Hey guys, it's Chris here, and in this video I'm going to share how to highlight and organize anything, including videos, PDFs, text on the web, so you can easily come back to those points later on. Let's get to it. Okay, so the extension we're going to use to help us on the task of highlighting, it's called Liner. I will leave the link on the description below. Once you come to the link and click to install on your Chrome browser, don't forget to come here on the little puzzle, find your extension and click on the little pin icon. This way the extension will always be available and you can click, drag and rearrange according to the priority or how easy it is for you to access that. Okay, so let's start highlighting something on a website. So you select part of the text here and you click on this pencil and click on important and it's highlighted. Let's say I want to highlight something else here. I'll click and I can choose another color and it's highlighted. As you can see, not only I can highlight, but I can define if this is going to be private just for me or public, which more people can see. And I will explain how that works in a second. One of the nice things about this extension is if I refresh the page, the highlights stay here. So this is amazing because once you're busy highlighting stuff, you can easily come back to it later with no worries. Now let me show you how to highlight something on a YouTube video. Let me play a little bit.
And I've been living with this.
And let's say on this part here, I want to highlight. You see the little pencil? We can click and we just made a highlight on this exact point here. And if you want, you can highlight as many points as you want in the video. When you're doing a search on Google, this extension will also show you what other users trusted. So this website's gonna come with a little highlight on the left side. It might be helpful for you to take a look at this one first. So it tries to improve a little bit the search. I'm not sure if I like this feature, but it's here. Now let's find out how to highlight PDFs. But before that, let me show you where all this highlighted stuff goes. We click here on the extension and we click My Highlights. So once you open My Highlights, you can see here that we have the highlights we made on this video, okay? And if I click here, I will open the video from the start. But if I click in one of these thumbnails, it will start the video for me right at this time where I had a note. Also, for each of your highlights, you can click and categorize in a collection. You have your collections here on the side and you can click. You can give it a visibility, public or private, and then you can come and you can give it a title, description, and save. So for example, I can come here and say cars, new cars to look in 2023. I'm gonna leave this public. I'm gonna click create. So now I have my little folder here, cars. And when I come to all my highlights, I can click in one and I can assign to that collection. So it makes a little bit easier for you to sort through all your stuff by creating some categories, what they call collections. And we also are going to see how we can highlight PDFs. So once you are into your Liner homepage, you can click here and highlights and you can choose PDF. So here I will import a PDF sample that I downloaded from the web. So you click to import, and once you have the PDF open, you can do the same thing as a regular text. You can highlight, select, and click. I can highlight another part of the text that I want, click on the pencil or just hover over the pencil and then choose a different color, okay? And then let's get this part here. So then once you're done with your edits, here on the right corner, you can click on this arrow down and you can select save the PDF with the highlighting, okay? So pretty easy. And with this, now you know how to highlight text on the web, on a PDF, moments on a video, and you know how to come back to them in an organized fashion later on. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.